Polymarket, the video script. The market always know. Do you act one? The hook. Every week at the world's biggest event unfold. Elections, central bank decisions, champion games, geopolitical shifts, and every week the so-called e-sport get involved. Post-miss elections by mail, agonizes, fail to predict market moves, prodigy of confidently called the outcome that never happened. But what if you don't have to rely on esports? What if the crowd itself, millions of people putting real money behind their convictions, was the most accurate forecasting machine ever built? And what if you could profit every time you read on reality was shifted than everyone else? That is exactly what Polymarket is. Act 2, the problem. Here is the problem with how most people engage with the world events. You have a stronger opponent. Maybe you are convinced a certain bank is going to cut rates next quarter. Maybe you see the political risk that nobody's talked about yet. Maybe you think the consensus on the major take the earning call is completely wrong. So what do you do with that convictions? You post about it in Twitter. You angry in Discord. You watch the event unfold, and if you were right, the only reward is the satisfaction of saying I told you so. You two people who have always moved on. Meanwhile, additional beating market are the stacker against you. The house take a massive cut. All the other manipulate light smooth against the ship beetles, and in most jurisdictions, assets in restrict or outright illegal. You have a right inside, read convictions, and no infection way to put capital behind it. Prediction markets change the equation entirely. Action 3, the solution. Polymarket is the world's largest decentralized prediction market. In likely you trade on the outcome of a real event. Use the USDC stable coins. On-chain with no middleman setting the old event market on Polymarket. Every market on Polymarket is a simple yes and no question about something that will definitely resolve in the reward. Each share is priced between the 1 cent and 99 cents, representing the market collectively probability that the event happens. If you bet yes at 13 cents and the event occurs, you collect $1 per share. That is the 3 times return on your convictions. No house age, no manipulate old. The price is set poorly by the thousands of trade putting real capital behind their benefits. The result is something remarkable. Polymarket, the price have consistently been more accurate than the polling averages, more accurate than median consequence, and more accurate than the most professional forecast broadcasters on everything from the election to economy data resolved to crypto price. Action 4. The demo. Let me walk you through what trading on Polymarket actually looks like. From the home page, I can browse the markets by categories: political, crypto, economic, science, sports. There are hundreds of active markets at any given time, with new ones opening daily around the breaking news. Let's say I have a stronger view on the upcoming central bank's decision. I click into the market. I can see the foot of the book. Who is buying yes? Who is buying no? How the probability has shifted over the past week as new economy data dropped. See this price movement. Every time a piece of elected data hit a job report and reflection point forward speak, the market reprice in real time. This is the crowd updating its collective benefit as new information around. He is one of the most honest singles you will find anywhere. I click buy and how much I want to invest. Confirm the transaction. My USDC is locked into the smart contract. If the event resolves in my favor, the contract automatically pays out of my wallet. No counterparty risk. No waiting for a withdraw to process. No customer support ticket. And if I change my mind before the market resolves, I can sell my position at any time. If the property has moved in my direction since I buy it, I lock in profit immediately without waiting for the event to happen. This is what makes the Polymarket fundamentally different from gambling. You are not betting against a house. You are trading information, and you can exit your position the moment the market agrees with you. Action 4. Read examples. Let me give you a real example of why this matters. During the 2024 U.S. presidential elections, Polymarket published market can secretly deliver grid from the Main Street polling averages for months. Trading on the platform, putting real capital and risk, while pricing in outcoming data poster and median outlier while reflecting. This market was right. Polling was wrong. The people with skin in the game had cheaper information than the pundit. The sun painting plays out across economy market. Before a major CPI point, Polymarket trade discussed every available data single. Shipping costs, produce prices, which clothing and the market price reflect that synthesis is crowdsourced economies analyzed happening in real time, 24 hours a day. If you understand something the crowd hasn't fully priced in yet, that is your edge. And on Polymarket, edge paid. Acton says the CTA. Here is how to get started. Go to polymarket.com, connect the crypto wallet, MetaMask, Coinbase wallet, or any wallet. Connect the compatible wallet. Depot USDC and start browsing markets. You don't need to be a crypto expert. USDC is a dollar plugin stable. 1 USDC is always worth on $1. There is no crypto volatility and it's pressure just from holding your balance on the platform. Start small. Pick a market where you have genius convictions. Something you have researched. Something you understand better than the average trade. See how to read on reality translate into returns. The best investor in the world success because they are right about the things others have figured out yet. Polymarket is the first platform in history where that age generous information insight about the real events can be efficiently immortalized by anyone, anywhere, at any time. Polymarket, the world's the openest price in reward. What do you know that the market doesn't?